Hey guys, Bobby here, and in today's video we will be talking about, is selling on Amazon too saturated? In my last video we talked about, is selling on Amazon worth it? I will have a link down below to that video in the description. Give this video a like if you're ready to find out if selling on Amazon is too saturated. Is selling on Amazon too saturated? Right now I'm on the Nintendo Switch page on Amazon, #1 bestseller for $299.99. There are 353 sellers on this page. So as far as this page goes, yes, this is way too saturated. If you search through Amazon, and you will find a lot of one product pages, as far as like this one, Suave Skin Solution Body Lotion, 18 ounce. That's just one product. So the key is to find products that come in bundles. Like this is a 6-pack. So the higher the bundle, the higher the price. So it's $31.19 for 6 of these. So that means you would have to find this product at a lower price to be able to make any profit off of it. But you can create your own bundles. So if you scroll down here, you will see there's this Suave, this Suave, this Suave, all of these different products here. So you could take this one right here and put it next to this one right here and create your own listing. So the key to creating your own listing, this will make it to where you are the only seller, is to come up with something that can go with the product that nobody else can manufacture. So you could go to Vistaprint and create a small little card or something like that teaching how to put lotion on correctly. You know, this is just coming off the top of my head, or anything of that nature. So if you were doing food, you could do like if you like to have mashed potatoes and mac and cheese, you can bundle those two items together with a recipe or something like that. Or if you like desserts, as far as cakes and pies and stuff like that, you can buy the mix at Walmart or Target and put it to your favorite icing and make those into a bundle with a book of recipes to go with it, to where nobody else can copy off of you as far as copying off of a listing. So as far as being saturated, the answer is no, because there are one product listings that a lot of sellers are on, but you can create your own listings to make it where it's not saturated, to where you can create your own unique listing, to where when people search for you, you're the only one that can sell that product, and you sell it. That means that you're the only one on that listing. You can make a huge profit creating bundles. Leave a comment down below letting me know if you think that selling on Amazon is too saturated. If you want to learn more about selling on Amazon, I will have a playlist down below answering questions about selling on Amazon.